National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 607, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and New York Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for northern Dutchess County in east central New York, southwestern Columbia County in east central New York, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Red Hook, or near Winnipeg, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pine Plains around 1:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and Cram around 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Coquetown, White House Crossing, Patchen Mills, Uncrumdale, Curly's Corners, Dutchess County Fairgrounds, Wheat Mines, Linden Acres, Prairieville, and Mount Riga. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia, and Dutchess. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a national tornado warning for northwestern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Dutchess County in eastern New York, southeastern Columbia County in east central New York, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Uncram, or 60 miles southwest of Great Barrington, moving Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree likely. This dangerous storm will be near Buckland, Shelburne, Ashfield, Coleraine, Charlemont, Heath, Plainfield, Rowe, and Holly around 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greenfield around 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hampshire County. Humidity 90%. The wind was north at 6 miles an hour was 29.98 inches and falling. Southeast of North Adams, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. On the northeast. Time. Northampton and East Hampton around 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Holyoke, West Springfield, and Chesterfield around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Williamsburg around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Norfolk, or 9 miles north of 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Enfield, Westfield, Windsor, Agawam, West Springfield, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Longmeadow, Suffield, Windsor Lock, Granby, East Windsor, Kenton, Southwick, East Granby, Heartland, Granville, and Tolland. Now for the official National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, northwestern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, Mack County in central New Hampshire, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walpole to 7 miles southwest of Hinsdale, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Antrim, Gilson, Marlborough, Ridge, Brad, Windsor, Dublin, Hancock, Washington, Jaffrey, Walpole, Warner, Hillsborough, Alsted, Westmoreland, Bennington, Swansea, Nelson, and Roxbury. This includes Interstate 89 near mile marker 20. This also includes Mount Monadnock. A tornado warning remains in effect until the National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, eastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the thunderstorm was located near West Springfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, East Hampton, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Belchertown, and Wilbraham. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Northfield, or 9 miles northwest of Orange, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bernardston, Irving, Gill, Royalston, and Warwick. National Weather Service in Boston has The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Phillipston, or 9 miles southeast of Orange, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Gardner, Montreal, Winchendon, Townsend, Templeton, Westminster, Ashlandham, Barry, Hubbardston, Ashby, Phillipston, Royalston, and Petersham. A severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tullum County in northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near northwest Irwinton, or 7 miles northwest of Bristol, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations include Hartford, Newbury, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Berlin, and Rocky Hill. The National Weather Service has issued northwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, east central Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Goffstown, or near Manchester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Allentown, Epsom, Auburn, Fowl, Chichester, Goffstown, Pembroke, Candia, Manchester, Bedford, Deerfield, Hooksett, Nottingham, Loudoun, Northwood, New Boston, Dunbarton, Raymond, Concord, and Londonderry. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 18 and 35. The National National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Worcester County in central Massachusetts, East Central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Westbrook, 18 miles west of Worcester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Leominster, Shrewsbury, Milford, Hudson, Westboro, Grafton, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Northbridge, Northborough, Oxford, Clinton, Osbridge, Middlebury, Charlton, Paul. p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hillsborough to near Fitzwilliam, moving east at 40 miles. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, southwestern Stratford County in central New Hampshire, east central Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Manchester, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nottingham, Newfields, Raymond, Sandown, Candia, Deerfield, Fremont, Epping, Brentwood, Auburn, Lee, Chester, Londonderry, Manchester, Newmarket, Stratham, Exeter, Bedford, Greenland, and Derry. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 6, Interstate 93 between mile markers 13 and 23. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Windham County in northern Connecticut, Hull County in northern Connecticut, central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, south central Hampton County in western Massachusetts. At 45 p.m. Eastern Daylight, at 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over East Hartford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Damage to trees and power lines. Locations affected include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Wyndham, Bloomfield, Berlin, Rocky Hill, and Atlantic. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Rockingham County, southeastern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire until 4:30 p.m. Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Eastern, solar located or 10 miles southwest of Merrimack, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location: Milford, Litchfield, Brookline, Amherst, Merrimack, Bedford, Hollis, Londonderry, Wilton, Greenville, Nashua, Mount Vernon, Mount Hudson, and Manchester. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine was located over East Hartford, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for east central Worcester County and central Massachusetts, central Middlesex County and northeastern Massachusetts at 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Holden or near Worcester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Worcester, Shrewsbury, Holden, Northborough, Clinton, Lancaster, Sterling, West Boylston, Bolton, and Boylston around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Marlborough, Hudson, and Westborough around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stowe, and Harvard around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Framingham, Acton, Sudbury, Maynard, and Boston p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Littleton around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southwestern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marlborough, moving east per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Lynn, Newton, Somerville, Framingham, Waltham, Malden, Medford, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Billerica, Woburn, Chelsea, Chelmsford, Andover, Natick, and Watertown. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Eastern afternoon. Chance of rain 90%. Sunday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows in the upper 40s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. Sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Wyndham County in Connecticut, northeastern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, south-central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, eastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 4:00 p.m. Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Charlton, or 13 miles southwest of Worcester, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Framingham, Shrewsbury, Natick, Franklin, Milford, Westborough, Grafton, Webster, Southbridge, Ashland, Bellingham, Auburn, Northbridge, Hoxton, Oxford, Holliston, Osbridge, Millbury, and Charlton. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts. in northern Connecticut, at Willimantic, mostly sunny. Temperature 80, wind south at 14, gusting to 23. The National Weather Service in Boston is a thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, south central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, western Providence County in Rhode Island, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Putnam, or 14 miles north Enfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Johnson, Plainfield, Smithfield, Killingly, Burteville, Usbridge, North Smithfield, Scituate, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Blackstone, Douglas, Brooklyn, Woodstock, Canterbury, Foster, Pomfret, and Millville. The National Weather Service in Boston has a thunderstorm warning for The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, eastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Peabody, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Quincy, Lynn, Newton, Lawrence, Somerville, Framingham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, Billerica, Beverly, and Woburn. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County, eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, west central Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northern Providence County in Rhode Island, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mendon, or near Milford, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boston, Brockton, Quincy, Pawtucket, Taunton, Woonsocket, Braintree, Cumberland, Randolph, Franklin, North Attleboro, Milford, Milton, Stoughton, Bridgewater, Attleboro, Dedham, Walpole, and Mansfield. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Massachusetts and Switch Bay, as well as the National Marine Sanctuary, issued at 4:14 p.m. Saturday, September 6th. Severe thunderstorm watch 607 in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for Massachusetts and Ipswich Bays. Small craft advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Boston Harbor, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Selwyn Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles southwest of Quincy, moving east at 30 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Boston Harbor, Boston buoy 44,013, Boston Light, Mass Bay buoy 44,029, Broad Sound, Quincy Harbor, the coastal waters east of Boston Harbor, Scituate Harbor, Minot Light, Green Harbor, and Ocean Bluff Red Rock. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Now for the official